Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Q Business. First, you will create an Amazon Q Business application in the AWS console. Next, configure user access permissions through AWS IAM Identity Center, ensuring secure control over who can access your data. You will also define the specific scope of information Amazon Q can access. Finally, select an appropriate AWS region for your application to ensure optimal performance and data residency, completing your initial setup in just a few steps. Once your application is set up, the next crucial step is ingesting your data. Amazon Q Business offers more than 40 pre-built data connectors, allowing you to link various enterprise repositories like Amazon S3, Salesforce, or SharePoint. The service then automatically indexes your content, making it quickly searchable. You can schedule data synchronizations to keep your information current. Importantly, Amazon Q supports indexing diverse document types, including structured, unstructured, and even scanned.
Selecting the right contests and players is paramount. For consistent returns, focus on lower-risk options like 50/50 or head-to-head contests. If you seek larger payouts, enter large field tournaments but consider submitting multiple diversified lineups. Thoroughly research player performance, check injury updates, and analyze matchups to find players with high upside. For example, in NFL, stacking a quarterback with two of his pass catchers can be a powerful strategy.
Amazon Q Business is designed for seamless integration and customization. You can integrate it directly into your daily workflows through popular applications like Slack and Microsoft Teams, or even as a browser extension. The web experience is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor visual themes and text elements to match your brand. Built-in analytics provide valuable insights into usage and performance. For advanced needs, you can extend Amazon Q's capabilities with custom plugins, supporting up to 20 API operations per plugin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.